Outdoor furniture has to fight the sun, rain, and salt while still looking elegant. We partner with specialized Foshan factories that use genuine all-weather wicker, premium teak, and rust-proof aluminum. Whether you are outfitting a cozy backyard patio or a massive resort pool deck, we source custom pieces that actually last. I personally verify the UV ratings and frame strength, so you get beautiful outdoor setups that won't fade or fall apart.